All right. Don't you hate when you get this sign here? Engine oil change due now. Yes, I know. I already made the appointment, right? We made the appointment for the oil change. Now I just want this off of my screen. So how do we do that? Here, my lovely assistant is going to show the display while I operate it. So go over here, go to setup, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go
Vehicle.
to general.
No, I thought it was vehicle.
Oh, you're right. Go to vehicle. Now, here's where the trick is. This menu slides down. Go all the way down to convenience. That's why we couldn't find it earlier. Here it says oil change reminder. Click on that. And right here it says oil change reminder. So just hit reset, right? Has the oil been changed? Press yes. Yeah, technically it hasn't, but we're going to do it. So like we're going to reset it. And then over here on the dash, you can see like that warning light is gone. That little exclamation mark that was down there is gone. And now you have your regular display again. So in order to get out of this, just go to home. And then you're back to like where you were before. And now you can do all the regular functions on your display. So, all right, that's it. I hope you guys have a good day. And I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Nice.